Mega.nz, or it is now Mega.io, is a cloud-based services, cloud storage and file hosting services offered by a Mega Limited, a company based in Auckland, New Zealand. The service is offered primarily through web-based apps. Mega mobile apps are also available for Android and iOS. Mega is known for its large 50 GB storage allocation for free accounts. So guys, today in this video is for educational purposes. Let's start the video. Hello and welcome to Mentor Idea. Friends, today I am going to show you how you can exceed your 50 GB limit of Mega, and you can import any amount of data into Mega for free. So you can just see 3.3 TB of 50 GB amount of data I have transported, and I have used it and exceeded the limit. So there is a little warning from Mega, but don't worry, I will teach you for free how you can do it. And just see all the courses. All courses are, you can see the Angela Book courses, Byju's courses, coding blocks, GFG, Gate, Prep Bytes, Pluralsight, Udemy, Unacademy courses. These are all filled courses. You can just see this is not a fake thing. And this trick I will teach you, and by the end of video you will also be able to import your data, all data in Mega. So how you can do this? So let us see. First you have to make a temporary email. So you can just go to temp mail, from there copy it and just make a free account with the Mega, and you can just make a free account. I have made the username and password same of this email, and you can just create an account. Okay, now there is a email, you just have to verify it. Verify my mail. Okay, password is also same as you know. Okay, now let's make a free get started for free. Skip this step. We are not going to download anything, just a recovery key in the case you forget your password. You can copy the recovery key if you want, otherwise I don't need it because my password is also same and I don't need to remember. Just you have to remember your email address. So all these things. Now this account I have made. Guys, you can move to your Android phone and just log in over there, and you can just see I have I'm going to log in here. Either you can make your account in a Android phone also. There is not a problem, but I was having a problem, but that's why I moved to a desktop, so that password is also same. Okay, login, say login, and okay, add a phone number, not now. Okay, now here it's an empty account. You can just see it's an empty account, and you have checked it. Then after that, move to a link which you want to import. This is a 3 TB link, and you just see over here somebody shared it, and just open in a Mega. Just wait for some time, let the link load. Now the link is loaded, and you can just see all the whole of the courses has been it's been showing, and you can just click on the import. There is an empty drive, and you can just say import. Now it's importing automatically, and it will import all the courses. You don't have to do anything. Limit will be automatically exceeded. If you would have used your 20 GB limit also, 30 GB limit also, then even then also it won't be a problem. All the courses would be imported. So like this, you can import all the courses to the drive and exceed the live limit. But there is a little warning: the courses can be deleted anytime. It is for the temporary basis, because their mega robots will check it, and they will delete the space. Now you can see all the courses has been imported, and there is a warning also, and you can dismiss the warning. Just see 3.3 TB of 50 GB use. Same again with this trick, you can import any amount of data you want.